guest and honored to have with us Sri Kata Srinivas Gaud Garu, Sarpanch of Aminpur, Medak district and also President of Sarpanch Forum. A hearty welcome. Now we have a performance by UKG students of DMAT branch.
చప్పట్లు సాంగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే చప్పట్లు కావాలి.
సూపర్ మంచి
అయిపోయి ఎక్కడ ఇంకా కావాలి.
సూపర్ మంచి
They have made a lot of efforts to present themselves on the stage. I request all you to be patient and enjoy the program till the end. Thank you.
Now I'm a cheerful person, cooperative, ready to work any time of the day onto the days. I request the dignitaries on the days. First to us, sir. Thank you, sir. It's a great pleasure to have all the great
Arun, please come on to the dance.
as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, by our honorable chief guest, Sri Kata Srinivas Gaud Garu, and I request our founder, Sri Nallapati Venkateshwar Rao Garu, Srimati Rajeshwari Madam Garu, and all the dignitaries on the dais to accompany in lamp lightning.
Patience is required to listen to the annual report, but we are very honored to speak about our children on the stage before all the great dignitaries on the dais. All the whole year they have strived so hard, they have done their best, and the support of the parents and the support of the management was with us for the whole year. So it's a great honor for us to read out the annual report. I request all of you to please be patient for 5 minutes. I'll not take much time. If I don't read the annual report, maybe the children may feel bad that we have not discussed their achievements. Sir, with your permission, I'll take 5 minutes. Esteemed guests of the day, all the dignitaries, good evening sir, good evening madam. Today, Srinidhi Arsipuram and Viranguda are celebrating the first annual day, and I take a great pleasure welcoming all all of you on the special occasion. I am privileged to undertake the pleasant duty of presenting the report of all the activities undertaken during the academic session 2015-16. Srinidhi Educational Group has been tremendously successful in the field of education because it has not waited for the things to happen but has created opportunities instead of waiting for it to knock. This proactive approach has resulted in creating many vistas for learning and setting up different verticals in the field of education to suit the varying needs of the students. Students of Srinidhi are encouraged to identify and develop their own means of happiness that they take forward into their lives beyond school. As a result of our holistic approach, a child stepping out of an institution will not merely excel in his or her chosen career, but will also succeed as well-balanced and culturally enriched human being with a positive approach of life. Academic excellence. Success is dependent on effort, and success is the sum of small efforts. Teachers here, the success is also the combined effort of the teachers whose supreme art is to awaken joy in creating expression and knowledge. We are fortunate to have a cadre of nearly 40 teachers, well-trained, well-experienced, dedicated and capable of fulfilling the demands of the growing modern generation of students. Apart from the various core subjects teachers, we have an enthusiastic team of co-curricular activity teachers for physical education, music, dance, yoga, karate, art and craft. This helps in exploring and nurturing the innate talents and skills of our promising students. As you have already experienced and witnessed the same in the slideshow and on the stage. We also have 20 supporting staff which includes clerical staff, LGS, security personnel, bus drivers and bus assistants. Teachers are also learners. Staying updated is the key to success in any field, especially in the field of education. Our teachers constantly strive to stay updated by attending workshops and various training programs like Aspergen Books Workshop, Olympiad workshops. Every child, one voice. Our PTA members are closely and actively involved in all the activities of the school. The school program kicked off with the observation of Environmental Day with charts and posters made by children to communicate the occasion. In the school parliament election, head boy and head girl were elected. All the parliament members took the oath in the oath-taking ceremony presided over by our vice chairperson, Mr. Nallapati Sainar Garu. We have an inaugural ceremony of the four houses like C.V. Raman Group, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Vivekananda, Einstein. The whole school is divided into 4 groups. Now celebrations. Life is a celebration of awakenings, of new beginnings and wonderful surprises that enlighten the soul. Ramjan celebrations, Bonalu celebrations, elections of the student body, investiture ceremony, Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, Krishna Janmashtami, Teachers Day, awareness of Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations, Ganesh idol making, Ganesh immersion, Patikama celebration, Diwali, sports meet, Jigyasa science fair, picnic to Ocean Park, Man's Day celebrations, Christmas, New Year celebrations, Sankranti, Republic Day, red, green, blue, yellow color day celebrations. Energetic and enthusiastic youngsters of Srinidhi exhibited their talent in all these activities. I hope parents have understood because we have already involved all the parents in all the activities. Last but not the least, I thank all the staff, teaching and non-teaching for their dedicated service, which is the key to all our success and achievements. Let me conclude this report by having faith in our students, teachers, and above all our parents who will give their unstained support throughout the year in whatever events we have planned for. And my special thanks for our founder Nallapati Venkateshwar Rao Garu and President of Vidya Educational Society, Srimati Nallapati Rajeshwari Devi Garu, without whose support and guidance, the faith in all of us in this year would not have been a successful one. Thank you all and thank you for being patient till 5 minutes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dignitaries on the lags. Thank you.
పెద్దలు గౌరవనీయులు మరి ఒక శ్రీనిధి స్కూల్ చైర్మన్ గారు వెంకటేశ్వర బాబు గారు, మరి పెద్దలు రాజేశ్వరి దేవి గారు, మరి పెద్దలు జనార్దన్ రెడ్డి గారు, మరి వేదిక మీద కూర్చున్నటువంటి పంచాయతీ సర్పంచ్ మంజులా చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు, మరి ఎంఈఓ గారు, వాట్సాప్లో కృష్ణయ్య గారు, భాస్కర్ రెడ్డి గారు, రవీందర్ గారు, లింగం గౌడ్ గారు, మరి ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి టీచర్స్కి, చిల్డ్రన్స్కి, మరి వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు అందరూ కూడా పేరు నా చేతులు జోడించి శిరస్సు మంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా. మరి ఈరోజు చాలా సంతోషం మా అందరికి కూడా. మరి మమ్మల్ని మీ యొక్క యాన్యువల్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్కి మరి ముఖ్యంగా మరి వెంకటేశ్వరరావు సార్ గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాం. మరి మీ అందరిలో మమ్మల్ని కూడా ఒక వ్యక్తిగా భావించి మరి మీ యొక్క యాన్యువల్ డే సెలబ్రేషన్కి మరి మమ్మల్ని ఆహ్వానించడం, మరి ఇక్కడ జరుగుతున్నటువంటి చిన్నారులు కూడా మరి అనేక కార్యక్రమాలు మరి ఆటలతో పాటలతో అందరినీ కూడా ఆకర్షించిన వారికి కూడా చిన్నారులు కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి కూడా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ మరి ముఖ్యంగా